I just stood there in front of that book until eventually an invisible player arrived. I like didn't set a trap for you. Like I just want to talk.
Parrot, you should know this by now. If I knew there was a trap here, I wouldn't have shown up.
Okay. So, can I ask you, like, why you gave me this book and why you showed up? Like, after all of these things that you've done, why is it now that you finally want to talk?
Because this chapter is coming to an end, Parrot. Right now, you need me a lot more than I need you. Because if I wanted this to go on, I wouldn't be here right now, would I?
Why did you kill Weefies?
I killed Weefies because I had to.
He was my friend, bro.
And that's why I had to kill him.
Turn off your voice changer. Look at yourself, bro. You killed Weefies and then have been sending all these assassins after me. How did you know about the dandelion?
You'll never know how I knew about the dandelion. You'll never know about a lot of other things either. And that's how it has to be.
Take off your voice changer. Take it off.
The voice changer isn't for me. It's for you. If you knew who I really was, you wouldn't be angry. You'd be terrified. Maybe one day. But not today.
Who are you, bro?
Oh, Parrot. You already know who I am.
Go, go. Get them.